Hi everyone, want to give your car videos a cinematic viral edge? Here are the three viral CapCut effects used in trending automotive reels, TikToks, and YouTube shorts, with a step-by-step guide to try them yourself. Number one effects is the speed zoom in plus motion blur effects. This is perfect for the car revs, takeoffs, transitions, or engine detail reveals. Here's how to do it. Just import your video into the CapCut and trim the moment your car accelerates versus the revs. Then tap the effects and the video effects tab. Just go to the basic and apply motion blur, then camera shake. You can also use a keyframes to zoom in slowly car speeds up and add a whoosh sound effect for cinematic punch. Then number two is a color grading plus teal orange look. This is perfect for the car showcases, cinematic walkarounds, and slow motion shots. Here's how to do it. Just import your footage and tap Adjust, and set the following manual color grade: the contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows, temperature. And number three is the 360 spin transition. This is a reveal or swap car. This is perfect for revealing a new car, switching car colors, or before and after builds. Just import the two clips, the car A and car B, and tap transition between clips and go to camera and select spin. Adjust the speed to match your beat and add a whoosh or rev sound effect for the impact. You can also add an flash overlay at the moment of the switch. And a bonus tool, you can use CapCut's AI auto cut for this fast sync to music, and use a slow motion plus reverse to tire scratches or drift scenes, and add car engine FX if you want. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips tutorials. Thanks for watching.